This compact EVERLIT Emergency Trauma Kit is thoughtfully organized for fast access, making it a practical choice for hikers, campers, and anyone who spends time off the grid. The inclusion of a genuine combat tourniquet, pressure bandage, and compressed gauze means it is actually capable of handling severe bleeding rather than just minor scrapes. A rigid 36-inch splint roll, together with triangular and elastic bandages, allows you to stabilize suspected fractures in the field far better than a basic first aid pouch. The kit smartly accounts for chest and airway injuries by providing materials that can be improvised into chest seals when paired with the included medical tape. An emergency thermal blanket is packed inside to help manage shock and prevent dangerous drops in body temperature after major trauma. Durable construction, a tactical style case, and a layout clearly influenced by military medics make this kit feel ready for real-world emergencies rather than casual use.